Hello everyone. The topic for today is area of rectangles. Right now I want you to pause the video so you can copy down your notes and then resume when you're ready. So, a rectangle is a four-sided figure with opposite sides congruent and four right angles. A square is a rectangle with all sides are congruent. So, a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square. The formula, that is an equation that shows the relationship among certain quantities. So the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times width. The formula for finding the area of a square is S, meaning the side length to the second power. Another way to look at that formula is this. The lowercase b stands for the length of the base, and then the h stands for the height. But as you can see, there's the formula that I mentioned before, and those two formulas will be used interchangeably throughout this lesson. So looking at this rectangle, finding the area, we're going to take 12 and multiply it by 8. So 12 times 8 gives us 96. Since the unit of measure is centimeters for both, the area would be 96 centimeters squared, or some people say square centimeters. That is what this 2 represents. That doesn't mean that you're taking that and multiplying it to the second power. That's just the unit of measure. So you need to include centimeters squared in that answer. Finding the area of a square is taking the length of one side and going to the second power. So we have the tick marks here on all four sides. And since we have the tick marks there, that means that all four of those sides are the same. They are congruent. So that means each of them is 3. 3 to the second power is 9. And since we have feet as our unit of measurement, that means that the area of this square is 9 square feet. Again, we need to make sure that we label the answer properly so that we understand what unit of measurement we're discussing. So, looking at a couple example problems. Looking at number 5, we are going to take this square and find the area. So we have to multiply 1 1/6 times 1 1/6. Well, as we've discussed before, to multiply a mixed number, we have to first convert them to improper fractions. So we have 6 times 1 plus 1. That gives us 7/6. And we have to multiply that by 7/6. So we wind up with 49/36. And to simplify that, we get 1 13/36. Since both of these are in yards, it's going to be yards to the second power, or square yards. So our correct answer would be B. So I want you to answer this question, number 6. Bring that answer along with any questions that you may have with you to class tomorrow.